This is how to view story archive on Facebook. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Facebook account. Once you are logged into your Facebook account, now here you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, click on the gear icon at the top, and now here scroll down and go to the your activity option or activity log. You have to click on it. After that, once you click on it, here you have to click on the archive, and then here in the archive you have to click on the story archive. Now as you can see, if you archived any story, you will be able to view your archived story here. You can simply repost these archived stories by clicking on the share icon. After that, you have to again click on the share icon at the bottom. Now you have successfully posted your archived story. So that's how to view archived story on Facebook.